In this video, I want to talk about how you can take back control of your finances in just 48 hours. And before we get into any of that, I want to explain how these videos work. I am building my personal finance community in public daily with these videos. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is go through the YouTube comments, sort of like a YouTube Q&A, if you will, just to give you guys immediate value. Like maybe there's something that you're just struggling with, a challenge that you're having, etc. Then we're going to talk about things that are top of my mind to help you reach your financial goals. And I have a big topic today of how I think you can reclaim your finances in just 48 hours. And I'm going to show you how I plan on helping you do that. And then maybe towards the end, some community activity. But first, let's go into the YouTube comments. So I go to my YouTube channel here, Chris Went, go to the community. Oh no, there are no comments. That's okay. We are still building this, guys. So the time is now to get your questions in or just thoughts or concerns with personal finance. If you just want to talk broadly about stuff, you want to talk specific about one of the things that you're dealing with right now, remember, there's no dumb question. I think any question you have, there's going to be hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people that have the same question, okay? So let's get into this. Reclaim your finances in just 48 hours, okay? So this is possible. And I've been trying to map this out for a while. And here's what I came up with, okay? So inside my community, Dollar Discipline University, the link is down below. It's at school.com/debt. And inside this community, I'm helping individuals just like yourself save more money, pay off debt, and just become more confident with your finances. And I've been working on this in the background for a while. And the reason why I wanted to do this before I kind of get into the post is I was noticing that when people join my community, maybe they're not as excited to join, or maybe they're like, it's more just curious. And I feel like I wasn't giving enough value up front, which is really tough to say out loud. Okay. So this is me. I've been thinking about how can I, get someone a win in the first week that they join the community, right? I mean, it's in, I say in 48 hours, but here's how it's going to work. There's going to be a weekly 2-day workshop or sprint, however you want to call it. Okay. And let's just kind of go through the post here. So cash flow kickstart, that's what I'm calling it. Let me know if you hate it. 2-day sprint to find more money in your finances. So going forward, each week in this community, I'll be running a free 2-day sprint to help you understand where your money has been going, how to realign your money to things that matter the most, how to keep that momentum month after month. And these are the first steps that I would recommend to anyone joining this community. So if someone joined the community and was like, hey, Chris, what do I do first? Without really any sort of context, it would be the stuff that I'm going to be going over in this 2-day sprint or workshop, whatever, however you want to phrase it. The unique frameworks I will share in the 2-day sprint have gotten some massive wins for people in the community. So Angie was able to pay off $20,000 of debt in just a year. So this was a screenshot from about a year ago where she had $43,000 of debt, and she's now down to $19,000. Okay, so just insane. Zane went from negative monthly cash flow to pay off $5,000 of debt in 3 months. Okay, so if we go down here, this is what he said. I've paid down over $5,000 of debt in the first 3 months, and it's because all these extra changes that he mentions up here, he was able to create an extra almost $4,000 in his monthly budget, going from a negative cash flow to a positive cash flow. That's an almost $4,000 difference. Okay, that's insane. And then Janine took just 30 days of being inside the community, and she paid off 1 credit card. Here she is, about to finish up my first month while using Chris's resources. Right, 1 credit card paid off, 4 more to go. Just insane. And also, like, I've worked with 3 other financial people and I've not gotten this far in progress, meaning like this stuff works, but of course all results are going to vary. And I did want to share these because they literally are just everyday people. They didn't get a raise at work, they didn't get an inheritance or win the lottery. They just got very specific to what they wanted to do, and they took action on those things, and they got awesome results. So why is this free? Well, I thought about making this paid, but at the end of the day, like I mentioned earlier, like I just want to have someone hit the ground running when they join this community. and the community has been growing enough to the point where I could see me having like these are going to be weekly, so I could see me having multiple people in each of these kind of groups, which I think would be great. So I think it makes sense to do it weekly. But this is the quickest path that I personally know to transform your finances from being uncertain or disorganized or embarrassed into being more confident, organized, and proud. And I truly think that everyone deserves to have that. I need to get people started faster and get some wins faster. It's just this community is more than a business to me, to be quite honest with you. Like it's a mission to help. If I can help somehow, some way, reduce some of the terrible personal finance stats that are occurring in the United States, but really around the world, like there's just some rough, like to be average in personal finances, you basically need to just have $1,000 in cash, like available in a bank account. And that's like the average, which is just insane because 50% of people don't have that. So um, if I can be a small change in that, then that's amazing. So how are these 2-day cash flow kickstart sprints work? Well, each day video call will only be 30 minutes. So 60 minutes in total, right? You have one call on one day, one call on another day. And they will be group calls and no speaking will be required. So I'm not going to be going around the room and making people talk or anything like that. I guess the only person required to speak will be me. In the first call, I'm going to introduce the simple processes, provide the appropriate resources, and answer any questions that you may have. Then in between calls, you're going to have an action item, and I've spaced out the calls to be, almost all, the 3 of the 4 weeks to be 48 hours, separated between the two to give you guys enough time, because I have a lot of people in this community that are obviously very busy with life, and they have 9-to-5 jobs and families and commitments and stuff like that. So if I were to make like a 24-hour turnaround, I think that would be pretty tough for everyone. And so that's why I'm doing that. Not because there's a lot of effort involved. I mean, it might take a little time, but it's not something that you need like hours and hours and hours and hours to do. On call 2, we will take your action item, so the thing that you did in between the call, and we're going to leave your old habits behind, right? So you're going to come on that second call, and all those old habits, we're going to be we're going to be laughing at them. We're not going to be laughing at them, but we're going to be just looking at it like, man, what were we doing, right? And then it's going to be officially day 1 of your new financial transformation. Now, if that sounds like fluffy and unreasonable, again, I want you to think back to these testimonials here, okay? It all starts with taking small actions in the beginning and making something happen. And stuff like this, again, not going to make any guarantees or anything, right? But like outcomes like this have happened in the community, and it's literally based on these like frameworks and processes that I talk about. So when did these calls happen? Well, I bombarded the September calendar with 4 of these 2-day sprints, and the first one's going to be Wednesday, September 3rd at 7 p.m. Eastern. I'm going to show the calendar in a second. I created a bunch of different times and days to hopefully accommodate all the schedules, like East Coast and West Coast, unfortunately, just in the Americas. The other time zones are pretty tough for me right now, but if there is enough interest, I'm absolutely going to figure something out there, okay? So this is for you. If you want to change in your finances, but you don't know where to start, if you've tried other methods in the past and you just haven't had success yet, or if you know what to do, but you just can't seem to stay on track for whatever reason, right? So there's really 3 levels here. So which date did you sign up for is what I'm asking. Let's find some money. And then obviously a Simpsons thing here. I found it in your pants. Yoink. Okay, so great. Great gift. Great find, Chris. That's the post, guys. That's the message here. So what I've actually done is, well, let me go to the calendar. Let's go to the calendar. Why is this still big? Let's make this slightly bigger. Great. So yeah, depending on when you're watching this, I don't plan on stopping this process for a long time. I do want to just see like if it's working, how it's working, if I can make it better for everyone. But depending on when you're working on this, seeing this, sorry, I'm going to have different days and times and everything like that for availability. So like I have the first one here on September 3rd. The first call is Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern. Then Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern. Then the following week, I have one at 9 p.m. Eastern. And then Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern. So you see here that there's a 2-day gap. The one time that I did not do a two-day gap was on the weekends. So I wanted to put a weekend time slot in the month. That way, if someone joins up here or something like that on one of these days, and they just literally are just slammed like morning to night with their work or their family, and they literally can't jump on a call. I thought maybe the weekend would give them a little more reprieve, and then but knowing that maybe they have more availability on maybe Sunday or something where they would be able to take that action item and bring it to the call. And then again another time here. So I have one of these sprints every single week, and the whole point again is to find extra dollars, find extra money in your finances. So I talk a lot about the power of $100 in this community, where an extra $100 is a significant way to, one, pay off your debt. So if we're adding an extra $100 to pay off our debt, then stuff's going to happen a lot faster. We're going to be debt free faster. We're going to be paying likely hundreds or thousands of dollars less in interest. Okay. But also just habit building. So $100, if you were to save $100 a month, it's not going to make you rich, right? But if you've never done that before, if you've never consistently saved money, you're building the habit, and it's just super powerful to start somewhere. So that's why I like to just say the power of $100. So yeah, guys, I'm excited about this. Let me know down in the comments or anything, like if this interests you. Are you in the community? Are you going to join? Are you going to join the community because of this? I'm treating this as like a way to hopefully attract more people into the community, because what I was doing before was just like, hey, join the community. There's going to be, you can get a free strategy call with me. And to someone that doesn't know me, that's just so silly, because it's like, unless you're just like uber curious or you're, desperate or something, but like most people don't know who I am. I'm a nobody on the internet. Okay. So it's more like, hey, I've gotten these really cool results for other people. And by me, I mean, I've helped people get other results. I don't like to take credit for them. They did like all the action. I just showed them, like kind of pointed them like, hey, just like, I don't know, try this and see what happens. Right. So yeah, is this something that would excite you guys? Let me know down in the comments. Join the community. Again, I'm going to be doing this for a while, so I'm going to just be looking for feedback from you guys. And I really just want to make it as good as possible for you. That way it's the least amount of effort. As you can see, it's 2 30-minute calls, so up to an hour in calls, and then potentially 1 to 2 hours max, like absolute max of the action item, like absolute max. So we're talking 2 to 3 hours. Would you be willing to invest 2 to 3 hours of your life to be able to hopefully maybe change something and maybe have some outcome similar to Angie, Zane, and Janine? I mean, I would hope so. And that's kind of why I'm doing this. Okay. So that's going to be the video for today. I'm doing these daily. Make sure to guys, I want to get this community going on YouTube. Of course, on, the community itself, Dollar Discipline University, but like just fun to like chat on YouTube and answer people's like Q&A live. It's just pretty cool. So that's it. Links down below for Dollar Discipline University, school.com/debt. Come to join the cash flow kickstart, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Have a good one.